What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2T's. I'm back with another video. And today, I will be sharing with you, I'm trying to get back to my videos. I've been so lazy doing a lot of these videos on these reviews of different things that you can buy for your home. As you can see, today we have the Socket Shelf Deluxe. Now, I'm trying to remember where I got this from. I want to say Five and Below, but I'm absolutely not sure. I'll make sure I have links down in the comment section of where I got it from, the price point I paid, which I think was no more than $5 or $10. You can see on the back of it what it does. You stick this in the double wall socket, and you can plug in all your little accessories and everything. That's irritating. Don't do that. Don't do that. Really. So you can see it adds a shelf of any outlet, and then it gives you the same outlets you have, and it gives ones on the side as well. Now, I don't know if it's on both sides of it, but we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to open this up. You guys make sure you hit me with a sub, like, and a comment before we get into this. And here we go. Let's see actually what all this comes with, what it looks like, because I know that this could be something that everybody will want to use. So, the thing's beeping, babe, and no, you won't be in my way either. So let's take it out. Okay, so this is the presentation. This is how it comes. And here is the little plate that it comes with. And my kids been wanting to use this because their wall socket is, I don't know what's going on with it right now, but you see that's the back of it. You'll see it from the side view. So it has triple dual ports for you to plug in stuff from. This will be perfect for the room because where the bed sits and my daughter bed is in her room, they're across from each other. So this can sit right in the middle for them to sit their phone on. All their little accessories, so she'll be able to have her plugins. She'll be able to have her plugins, and in the front, they'll have extra plugins for what they might need. So I think that's pretty cool. Stop doing that; it's irritating, baby. All right, and then here's the little plate that comes with it, and then I'm gonna show you what else it comes with. It comes with a second plate. See that? Now I don't know how this all goes together, but we'll try to figure it out. Really? Really? Oh, I dropped something on the floor, so there's the little box. Okay, so it came with directions. Here's the little mimic, I'm not sure why they have it like that, but let's see. Okay, so it slides on these little rails right here, and it goes in from the back, so that's what I'm viewing here. You can put a plate on top, a plate on the bottom, and then sit stuff basically on top of it. And it's pretty simple. It isn't really a hard setup, so let's give it a try. So this goes up top. Let's see. There we go. It has a little screw that you can screw in the wall, just so it doesn't fall out. And then there is a bottom one. Come on. Am I doing this right? Yeah. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Okay. And then once this on, you put them on from the back. Then you can plug it into the wall, and you can sit your phone. All that'll be against the plate on the wall, and you'll be able to sit a couple phones in here, your tablet, your Apple. And the only thing I don't like about this, from me experiencing this for the first time, is it doesn't really have a abrasive feeling, so that if you sat your computer or laptop up there, it wouldn't slide off. So this would probably be mainly for the use of a phone, I would say. I probably wouldn't sit my laptop up there per se. You could probably plug your laptop in here anywhere you want it, and you know the block for the laptop's pretty big, so it'll probably work up front. But that's pretty much it, what it looks like. And of course this screw is back there to screw into the wall. You just take you a power tool and use it, or the handheld screwdriver will work as well. But that's what I wanted to give you guys, you know, something that you guys can go get. I'm almost sure, babe, do you remember where I got this from? Five and Below? I'm almost sure, because I wouldn't have went to a regular store like Walmart, Target, Best Buy to get this particular thing. And if they were selling it, they would be selling for $30, $40, and I ain't never did a review that I paid a whole bunch of money for it. You think Ross? No, it wouldn't have been at Ross. This is, I'm going to say Five and Below, guys. You can get this as Five and Below now. Will not probably be $5. I'm going to assume this is going to be more the $7 to $10 range. And you can see up here on the box, they show it getting plugged in by cabinets and using those wires to go over your, you know, your salt shaker or whatever you may have. But you clearly can see that people use it in their bathroom right here. See that? Now, if the kids decide they don't want to use this, I'm definitely going to use it in my bathroom to sit some things on. It's neat. It looked like it'll be a pretty cool addition. It even has that little green light up here to let you know that the power is on. So something like this, I don't know what generally would cost, but I'm going to say this is anywhere from $5 to $10. And this socket shelf will be good for putting multiple things on it. And yeah, I think my kids will put this piece of electronic to good use for their bedroom. They've been wanting me to do this video and there's the like instructions that come with it. So if you get it, you will have some instructions you can go by that show you how to do it. But I'm not too big on reading instructions, but I will skim over it and kind of figure it out on my own. But I hope this video really helped you guys. All you guys out there that's thinking about trying to get yourself motivated, just get motivated and do it, man. There's all kind. And now, what I didn't do, and I need to do it, I need to do a review of why I like my iPhone 12. And not only why I like my iPhone 12, but why it's not too much different from the 13, 14, or so forth for all the phones that are coming out. I'll do a video on that and I'll get back with you guys, because I've delayed it. The phone that I'm recording on is my new 4K 60 frames per second new recording that I'm using on my new iPhone 12. I'm loving my phone. I just can't get enough of it. It's keeping me motivated to do what I need to do for my YouTube, my channel, everything I got going on. That's content for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. You guys go to your nearest Five Below and get this new device to maybe go somewhere in your room, something that you're trying to make look nice, an area look nice. So now I'm going to go give this to my kids so they can enjoy it. This your boy Ghostside 2T's. Hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. And